Hey everyone, welcome back again today. So again, we're just gonna do from day makeup to evening makeup. So today I want to use, this is my probably my all-time favorite palette. I think I've used this well, you can see how much I've used it. It's like chunks missing out of there. Well, some of them, because I only ever really use the orange, the pink, and the purple. This is a very extra kind of eye look, but it's something that, I don't know why, it's one of my favorite looks to do on myself. So it looks weird, like I'm gonna do orange, like up above the crease, purple in the crease, and then pink on the lid. And it's Off Tropic, right, from NYX. So it's kind of that vibe, right? So this one should be fairly quick. This should be hopefully less than 15 minutes. My face looks really flushed right now, but it's only because we had not like an event at work, but there was we were all there, but we were outside, like separated from each other, but we were all in our work gear, so hard hats and all that, and of course the mask, and then you're breathing outside in the cold air, and it's creating a lot of ugh in here. So this part of my face just feels like it needs to be seriously cleaned right now. Anyways, I don't want to get too far off tropic. Sorry. And I'm really embarrassed that I just did that. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Wow. Okay. I didn't grab my brushes. I'm not prepared again. Sorry, just give me a sec. So I need one for pink, one for purple, and I think this is probably, there's orange, purple, on the brush already. And I want a flatter kind of brush for pink, so I think I'll go with this one. And I'm so many brushes. Okay, I want to grab this one also. No, this one. This one. Maybe grab this one too. Okay, let's get this back up here. Okay, now, excuse me. I need to start with orange. I almost just started with purple. I'm already forgetting what I'm doing. Okay, so just gonna use this tiny little, cute little mirror here, because this palette does not have a mirror inside of it. But like I said, this is my all-time favorite palette. It's 100%, yeah, the most used palette in my collection, we'll call it. Okay, so I don't really have I've never done this with a wing liner either, so this is going to look a little bit different than anything than me doing this previous look. This makes no sense. I've never done this look for you guys, but for myself, I've never done it with a liner. There we go. So this one is more of a rounded. I'm gonna try to avoid bringing it all the way up. It might happen, who knows, we'll gotta see, figure things out as we go, but I just want it to kind of not go fully up into the brow. Oh, I've already screwed that up. I always get the hiccups when I come on here. Okay. You ever just breathe funny and then they go away? Also, I'm doing this look because nobody participated in giving me colors, which is fine. I'll figure it out on my own. But I like this look, so I'll figure it. I might as well use my favorite palette in the first week of my, I'm calling this a series, by the way. Oh, I just dipped into the wrong color. Good thing it was another orange. I just like this palette for it's so bright. The pigment is perfect. I mean, yeah, I'm caking it on right now, but I wouldn't have to. It's perfect. It's so, even that, even that just looks good. I'll just go, out like this. I did receive, legit, okay, so my idea, first of all, before I started this and sat down, was I had 3 brand new palettes. I don't even know where this one's from. Revolution. Brave Spirit. It's kind of a rainbow in there, and I was like, oh, I might use this, but then I have this Touch and Soul Philip Orange palette, and I was like, ooh, no, this one would be good. And then I had another brand new one, Hank and Henry Sweet Tooth, and I was debating those 3, and then as soon as I sat down, I was like looking at them and I was like, no, I want to do NYX. Because my logic makes perfect sense. This mirror's too little. It's too little. No. Okay. Back to the mirror. I think I was using the wrong brushes like all week because these smudger brushes are like perfect for doing what I intended to do mostly throughout the entire week and then ended up screwing up. So I've learned a lesson already this week. Honestly, this looks so much better in camera than it does in person. Like, from what I can see on the viewfinder, this looks like super bright, which is so nice. Like, it's bright in person, but it looks like almost neon in the viewfinder. So I'm hoping that like translates when I watch it back. Okay, so there's the orange. So yeah, I had grabbed like, what's this one called? A shading brush for the purple to do in the crease. I think I'm just gonna grab this like flat, I don't know what this one's called, this brush to go into the crease. And then I grabbed another one for pink, didn't I? Where did it go? Didn't I? Oh no, that's purple. Hang on, why am I so confused? Oh, right there, literally right in front of my face. Okay, way to go, Kaycee. This doesn't have shade names either. It's just pink, purple, and orange. Oh, numbers 6, 4, and 9 are what I'm using. So this one is 9. The orange was 6. So this one, again, mirror, it's gonna go into, why am I holding so many brushes? Gonna go into the crease. And I mean, I'm trying to like blend it slightly, but I don't want it to be super blended. I forgot to put my phone on silent. I want to be able to like distinctly tell between these shades that there's orange, purple, and whatever, but I also want you to be able to see it. So like right now you kind of can't tell that there's purple because my eyes are hooded. So I'm just gonna go up a little bit more so that you can see it. Hey, upstairs. Sometimes like I'll talk to him and then I'm watching this back and you can't hear him, so it sounds like I'm just talking to nobody sometimes. And then yesterday when he was meowing like this and I was watching it back, he could hear himself and he was like looking for a cat for probably a good half an hour. Yeah, you were. Don't deny it. He looked worried too, so I was like, what were you saying? Because you're like worried for this other cat and it was literally you. Hey? I don't know where he went. Oh, he's behind me. Okay, I don't know if you can see him. Hang on. No, he blends in. He's right here. Blends in with the boots. Ow. My knee. Okay. Yeah. You coming to say hi? Come on. Those of you who have cats, you know how much they just like to talk. Sorry, my nose was itchy. I wasn't picking it. There's a cat hair in it. I can feel it. Can I see it? No. Okay. So again, I'm just going to try to kind of bring this up slightly above the crease because, yeah, my eyes are definitely hooded. So I need, if I want to make them look, I think it's bigger. You bring it up? I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Bring it up, bring it up. This side, I screwed up already. How do I always screw this side up? It's not easy when it's not your dominant hand. Even the liner today looked weird, but I did get complimented twice today on my eyeliner. Well, on my makeup in general, which is basically just eyeliner. But It was nice. It was nice. Okay, is that even yet? Because it's not. You can't tell that there's purple there. Do I need to look like this? Now can you see it? Can you guys? If I go like this, you can see it. Normally I like kind of do blend them together, but I don't want to do that today. That side is so messed up. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna take the orange one again and just kind of try to fix what I just screwed up. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, there we go. So there's purple and orange. So I'm gonna add the pink quickly. I'm sorry, that brush I'm throwing, that was probably so loud. I'm gonna take the pink, which is number 4. I don't even know if NYX still sells this palette. I got this probably like 2 years ago, to be honest, but it's been my favorite since the day I bought it. And I obviously haven't used it a ton. Usually only when I'm like going somewhere. I didn't leave well, I don't have enough space here because I have liner. So I'm gonna have to blend this into the purple that's in the crease and then hope that we can see it in the end. I probably could have put some concealer there to try to lighten it, but it just wasn't worth it for the time slot that I'm trying to allow myself for this. And then I think I put pink under as well, if I'm not mistaken, because when I do this, I know I always go under. Oh, I just went in my eye. Okay, how does it look? Okay, I'm loving this. This is, sorry, this is, like I said, my favorite. I don't know, it's so bright. I just love it. This is what I mean when I say like I'm kind of extra when I go out, because I've definitely been to the dinner theater like this at least twice. My family, before COVID, we would go to the dinner theater. They have one, I think it's every 3 or 4 months. They have a brand new one like that comes out. So we go to like pretty much every single one. And yeah, it's an enjoyable time. You get like, what is it? I think it's considered a 3-course meal, 4-course meal. You get soup, salad, a main, and then a dessert, and then there's like breadsticks and stuff. Or not breadsticks, but like buns on the table. Last time we went, it was, I feel like it was cheese buns. Or maybe it was breadsticks. I don't even remember. Obviously, it's been a while because COVID. And then when things were starting to open up, they opened back up. So like I bought tickets for myself and my grandma to go. It's a hair. And then when I bought them and I like told her, I was like, oh, I got us tickets to go to the dinner theater. Hang on, there's stuff in my eye. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. I was like, yeah, I got us tickets. We can go to the dinner theater, you know, have a nice night out. And then they closed again, like literally the next day. They just like updated stuff though, so that's everything's supposed to kind of open up on January 21st, but that was like an extension from even the original, which was I think I don't know, sometime next week. I don't even know because it just keeps changing. It's hard to keep track. Like things are not well here. That's an over exaggeration, but it could be better. I mean, we are all going through this, so that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so this is the eyes with, again, NYX Off Tropic. I just love the look of this palette. I just have to keep doing this. Don't look at my disgusting nails. And I'm already wearing lipstick because I wore it to work today. Yes, under my mask. I knew it was there, so I felt better about myself. But I just wore the mannequin one from Jeffree Star and Morphe again. So that one is currently on my lips. I'm not going to wash it off. I'm just going to throw, because like of how bright this is, I wanted to throw like a bright one on top of it. So I'm just going to use the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star one in Jeffree What The. And let's put it on and see how extra we can look. I'm proud of myself. It's already 15 minutes and I'm going to be done before 20. Woot. If nobody participates in telling me which colors to use, this is what it's going to be like every day. Chaos. I love this color. I feel like putting lipstick on camera is like the weirdest thing in the world. I know. Okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna do this at the beginning and I totally forgot. Callie, Jade, and Kendra, if you're watching this, Auntie misses you and I love you. Those are, well, you haven't met Jade, but Callie and Kendra, you guys have met when my nieces did my makeup videos. Okay, so this is, my hair looks wonky because I was wearing a hard hat today, so that's why it's so flat. Let's just go like this, give it a little bit of life. Okay, sure, why not? So this is the final look. Love the eyes. I think it's super cute. Like I said, I just like a lot of bright pops of color. And then obviously I love the lip because it's, again, a nice bright pop of color. Am I doing anything? I'm not doing anything. Try to bring you in. Okay, I'll just lean in. So this is what it looks like. Obviously it's nothing special, but I like the way it all kind of comes together as a whole. And yeah, so that's it. I think that's it for this week. I don't think I'm going to film tomorrow. I've got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. I want to get the rest of this room done so that I can do a beauty room reveal for you guys. And yeah, that's going to be coming up sometime, along with the tattoo video, along with probably a million other types of videos. But this year I would like to film a ton and post a ton. So thank you guys for sticking with me. Again, you can comment down below. Like I said, give me some colors, give me some suggestions, whatever you want to say to me, I will accept it. And if you want to like this video, you can go ahead and do that, or you can subscribe to the channel as well if you'd like to see more. People say hit the notification bell, but I feel like a lot of people have that going for me. It tells you in your analytics what percentage of people have it on, and quite a few do. So thank you guys very much, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.